incident for me was something where आप जल्दबाजी में होते हो, जल्दी में आप कहीं जा रहे हो and you are reaching somewhere and something just happens like the cup slip. It was not my dress that slipped, it was a cup that slipped. It's a neutral blazer, tailored, double-breasted, something that I feel anybody should have in their wardrobe. You can pair it as an airport look, go for meetings, go for even a casual. बहुत पुरानी है, but मैंने इसको संभाल के रखी है अपने पास, क्योंकि ये वो याद है मेरी. Neck pieces are the ones that I really like. जैसे something plain if you're wearing, ये तो इसके साथ नहीं जाएगा, but if you're wearing a plain dress or if you're wearing a shirt, then you can always like tuck this inside. करोल बाग 12/24 मैं रवि सरगुन, नील भाट, स्मृति कालरा, I just met her at one of the events. Celebrity लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं क्रिकेट खेलती हूँ, वो सब मुझे फीमेल वर्जन ऑफ विराट कोहली बुलाते हैं, because I am very aggressive when I'm playing. So so that's why he's my favorite. I love him. Gauhar Khan. I love Gauhar Khan and the way she played Hina. She was fab. Rubina. Oh my God. Rubina was also very good. Very, very good. Then this one अपना Elvis. Elvis भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I loved Elvis. Karan was so good. Hi. Hello. How are you? Welcome to my house.
Thank you so much. How have you been?
I am very good.
So what's gonna do today?
We are going to share my style statement. And I'm really excited about it. I am looking forward to share it with you guys. I'm my own stylist. I don't dress to impress. I dress to express. So my expression of style is what I'm going to show you guys today.
So Hunar, can you take us through your wardrobe? Like, I mean, they are very less here because it's inside, and you're gonna show us something which you carry always, most of the time, your go-to dresses.
So apparently, my idea was to not like take out everything. It was just to take out a few specific, which describes me, which is what I am all about. So basically, for me, dresses and clothes is about glam. So you see the glam here, and it's about bling. Again, the bling is here. The Swarovski is here. It's about flowy outfits that's breezy and nice and has a good silhouette. So it's here. And then it's about pleated, basic, go-to dresses and attires that can go with anything that you wear, which is versatile. So it's this, and this, of course, it's a neutral blazer, tailored, double-breasted, something that I feel anybody should have in their wardrobe. So that's the reason why I was like, this is a must. तो ये तो होना ही चाहिए. It's something that represents power. It's a powerful outfit. When you wear, it makes you calm, it makes you look composed, sophisticated. You can pair it as an airport look, go for meetings, go for even a casual, a work kind of a hangout, lunch or something like that. So this is my go-to. I wear it on top of a dress. I wear it with a trouser. And then, as I said, something that's more dramatic would be this for me. So if I want to make it dramatic, then this is a pleated skirt, okay? So I think a pleated skirt, like a full skirt, should be there in everyone's reason being that this is a skirt that you can actually pair it up with anything. Like I can wear it with a shirt, I can wear it with a t-shirt. Okay, if I wear it with a shirt, then it'll be like a formal look. If I wear it with a t-shirt, then it'll be like, okay, a semi-formal, like dinner or something like that. I can wear it with like those puffed up dramatic sleeves like I had worn in one of my recent events. So then it becomes very, very glam and nice and sophisticated, and there's a lot of drama then when you're wearing something like that. The best part is it has a belt on the waist, तो उससे मेरा जो waist है it gets its shape. So I like anything that's fitted, just like what you can see on me जो मैंने पहना है. Again, this is fitted and it's sleek. So it has a corset, so it enhances my figure. And the color, of course, it's vibrant, and that's how I like it. I love animal prints too. Then bling, as I said, glam and bling is my favorite. Kaftans is something that I really like. This is Archana Kocha. She is somebody who I really resonate with because she also designed my wedding. Archana Kocha, my wedding wear. मुझे I like something that's not like Indian also और ज़्यादा western भी नहीं, तो बीच में तो that's why I love Archana Kocha. So kaftans is my favorite. This is one of my favorite. Then this is the breezy outfit that I was saying. So you know, like a beachy wear. If you want to go to the beach and you want something, you know, sensuous and flowy, something that flows with ease, you know, and at the same time it enhances your personality, makes you look free-spirited. So these are the silhouettes that make you look easygoing and free-spirited. This is so since we are talking about wardrobes, तो मुझे ये था कि समथिंग एक नॉस्टैल्जिया एलिमेंट भी होना चाहिए जब भी हम वार्डरोब की बात करते हैं. तो जब मैं अपनी पसंद के कपड़े निकाल रही थी फॉर यू गाइस, तो मुझे ये था कि यू नो दिस इज़ समथिंग. ये मेरी LV की स्वेट शर्ट बहुत पुरानी है, बट मैंने इसको संभाल के रखी है अपने पास, क्योंकि ये वो याद है मेरी जो आई थिंक इट्स स्टक. ये वो याद है जो मुझे याद दिलाती है अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट यू नो जब मैंने नए पैसे कमाने शुरू किए थे और मेरा फर्स्ट सैलरी आया था, तो आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू स्पेंड ऑन समथिंग ऑन माई ओन, मतलब खुद से मैं कुछ खरीदूंगी फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड आई एम वेरी एयरपोर्ट, यू नो, लाइक वेरी स्वेट शर्ट काइंड ऑफ अ गर्ल एज वेल. तो this was the first expensive thing that I bought. मेरा पहला expensive outfit. तो ये मैं हमेशा अपने पास रखती हूँ, अपने साथ रखती हूँ. ये मुझे मेरे हार्ड वर्क, मेरी मेहनत की याद दिलाता है और मुझे और भी ज़्यादा मेहनत करने के लिए परसुएट करता है. और ये भी मेरा एक बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव बाय है. टच दिस, जस्ट फील इट. कैन यू सी हाउ स्मूथ इट इज? This is a very, very expensive fur. I had actually got it from Australia. This is an Australian brand. और इसको, you know, you can just touch it and feel it. Even my amigo loves it when I wear it. He loves this on me. He loves it. It's nice.
We can still
amigo.
see that.
See? He loves this on me. It's one of my favorite. It's really nice when I wear it. Again, it's dramatic. I love dramatic things. That's about it.
बट इसमें से ऐसा कोई ड्रेस है जो आपको अपनी डेट्स की याद दिलाता है, जब आप डेट्स पे गए थे या कभी किसी से मिलने गए थे स्पेशली?
I don't repeat my dresses on dates. तो यूजुअली मेरे डेट्स की जो भी ड्रेसेस होती है वो एक बार पहन ली, फिर उसके बाद मैं दोबारा नहीं पहनती, तो मैं उसको दोबारा देखती भी नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि डेट में सब कुछ अच्छा ही होता है.
बट कैन यू टॉक अबाउट योर ड्रेस यू आर वेयरिंग टुडे? आई मीन दैट इज वेरी प्रिटी.
हाँ, तो ये वाली जो है ड्रेस, जैसे मैंने बोला कि अगेन दिस इज़ फिटेड. सो एनीथिंग दैट इज़ फिटेड मुझे बहुत पसंद है, बिकॉज इट एलिवेट्स योर फिगर, मेक्स यू लुक सेंशुअस, and at the same time it is like, you know, less is more. So it is bold in a way, but in a very subtle way. Like when you wear it, it talks.
And can you also talk about the prices, the things you have worn today, like your shoes, your bangles, your
So I'm a very sneaker kind of a person.
yeah.
So actually ये मेरे favorite sneakers है, my Air Jordans. This is Sean something, I don't know. Sean I don't know.
How many bucks?
This was a gift by my husband, so I don't know how much he bought it for, but I'm sure it must be expensive. This is a limited edition, and this of course this I bought. These are my Air Jordans. So Air Jordans, of course, this is quite expensive. These shoes. I'm more of a sneaker person. Actually, मैं cricket बहुत खेलती हूँ, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे लग गई थी on my ankle, तो मैं heels नहीं पहन पाती, because of which I wear sneakers now. So that's why these two are my favorite. This is also one of my favorite because it matches with my purse. So generally मेरे जो footwears है, जब मुझे कहीं if I have to go out for a party or something, so I generally like to match it with the clutch that I carry with myself. So this is what is one of my favorites. So I thought I should have something that's my favorite. There's a nice clutch and the footwear that goes with it. And these are my go-to glasses, my Christian Dior that I have, but this is my favorite. This one is my favorite. It's my Louis Vuittons. I really like it. It's really nice. I love how it looks on my face. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm very minimalistic in my things. And then this is something that I wanted to keep because I have a lot of accessories. लेकिन सबसे favorite ये है मेरी. Basically, statement neck pieces are the ones that I really like. जैसे something plain if you're wearing, you know. ये तो इसके साथ नहीं जाएगा, but if you're wearing a plain dress or if you're wearing a shirt, then you can always like tuck this inside, you know, like on the collar or something, and it instantly elevates your look, you know. एक प्लेन ड्रेस को पे आप एक स्टेटमेंट अगर नेक पीस पहन लेंगे तो वो इमीडिएटली काफ़ी एलिवेट कर देता है व्हाट यू वेयरिंग. Hoops is the earrings that I like, so that's why I had hoops. I'm wearing hoops, and hoops is what I generally wear, what I generally like wearing. So that's why I have these hoops with me. And yes, this is what I am. This is what Hunar Hali is. She's somebody who likes power dressing. She's somebody who likes being empowered in her own way. She's somebody who is versatile in her dressing sense. She's somebody who doesn't dress to impress. She dresses to express. That's what I am all about. And this is what...
My eyes are going on that frame. That cute frame.
That frame?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yeah, this is one of my favorite.
Thank you for taking us through, you know. It was lovely, by the way, and we are loving it, all this statement. We got an idea. Especially I got an idea. But I want to talk to you about quick questions. What is fashion according to you?
Fashion is a way to express yourself, like who you are. I don't think following trends is what, at least I don't do that. You should follow what you are, what you feel as a person. Like fashion for me is something that's not just bold, but at the same time it's sensuous, it's flirty, it's playful at times. It should be a mixture of everything, something that makes you feel empowered. अगर आप किसी को follow कर रहे हो and if you're wearing that on your body, then it's not you at the end of the day. Sometimes my fashion sense is also intentional.
Yeah.
it's like होता है ना कभी आप you go to some parties and
Yeah.
some functions where
Yeah.
you intentionally dress up
Yeah.
like something, but then it should be something that elevates your look. So
Right.
fashion for me, again, I will repeat my quote again, it should not be you dressing to impress, it should be you dressing to express.
Absolutely.
That's what's fashion for me.
Right. But Huna, did it felt you sad or you were in that mentally not okay that time when people trolled you or paparazzi trolled you, you know, for
On one of my hall to talk where
yeah,
the cup
yeah,
dropped.
yeah, wardrobe sleep thing happened that
Yeah.
time. So did that feel sad to you? The people जिस तरीके से लोगों ने लिया उसको and वो ट्रस्ट डगमगाया paparazzi पे उसके बाद आपका?
एक्चुअली मुझे तो थोड़ा फनी लगा टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था दैट ऐसी कोई चीज यू नो somebody would even want to capture and show it, because it was so funny.
Yeah.
Like it was not like, see, I have never done nudity in front of the camera.
हाँ.
जैसे आप आजकल देखते हो कि लोग जिस तरीके का फैशन
कर
रहे हैं,
yeah.
जबरदस्ती, आई मीन कोई जीन्स पीछे से फाड़ के तो नहीं चलता है ना
जी.
I mean, that's like a very stupid fashion in a way.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't do all of that basically. So this incident for me was something where, you know, आप जल्दबाजी में होते हो, जल्दी में आप कहीं जा रहे हो, and you are reaching somewhere and something just happens, like the cup slipped. It was not my dress that slipped. It was a cup that slipped.
Yeah.
So that's it. And मैंने उसको immediately अपने पर्स में डाला, and I just walked off very nicely.
Yeah.
So whoever, जिन्होंने भी ये चलाया अपने platforms में, I felt funny for it, because I was like कि यार ये भी कोई चलाने वाली तो चीज़ है नहीं, but it's freedom. हर कोई जिसको जो करना है वो करेंगे ही. So I thought that
but
you know,
people gave you a PR stunt. That was not okay.
हाँ, तो उसमें मुझे बस ये लगा कि you know, I will just give my opinion that कि अगर लोग अपने आप को बहुत इंटेलिजेंट समझते हैं तो उनको इनफैक्ट उन लोगों को क्वेश्चन करना चाहिए जो इस तरीके की चीज़ें अपने प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे चलाते हैं, एंड वी ऑल नो व्हाई, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू नो आजकल एवरी सेकंड पर्सन इज अ पैप एंड एवरीवन हैज अ सोशल मीडिया, एंड सबको पता है कि व्यूअरशिप सबसे ज्यादा किस तरीके के कंटेंट से मिलती है. तो वो अच्छा हो या बुरा हो, यू नो, समथिंग लाइक दिस वो चलाएंगे ही, बिकॉज दैट इज व्हाट गिव्स देम व्यूज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. तो आप उनको कुछ नहीं बोल सकते, यू कैन जस्ट से दैट क्या कर रहे हो, यू नो, रिमूव कर दो. बट अगर उनको नहीं रिमूव करना है एंड चलाना है, सो इट्स देयर चॉइस, इट्स देयर डिसीजन. फॉर मी इट वाज जस्ट यू नो समथिंग very normal that happened, क्योंकि it's a normal part of living, you know, normally हो जाता है ऐसे कभी-कभी, you know, आप you're adjusting your dress and you're getting out, and you know, it was a cup that slipped, you know,
absolutely.
So, yeah, I just took it like that. I didn't really think of it much. मैं तो उसके बाद भी when I went inside the event, I was very very confident, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा हूँ, because as I said that whenever I wear something, I know the body that I have, I know what I'm wearing, I know what I'm doing, I know how to carry myself. Absolutely. And the dresses that I choose on me, it's something that I know would elevate me in front of the public. That's how I am, that's who I am. Absolutely. So I don't really care how.
I think everybody should learn this from you. I know sometime it happens, you know, sometime it happens. Most of the time people face through this, but then कभी-कभी लोगों को निकलना उस चीज से ना बहुत भारी पड़ जाता है कि निकले कैसे लोग. But you took it in a good way, I feel, right?
Yeah, because I know how social media is. I mean, see, I'm an actor, and I have never chosen to be a celebrity. If I be a celebrity, good. People call me a celebrity, good. But I will always want that people should call me and know me as an actor. Because it's only then when, you know, you can learn more.
Right.
As a celebrity, you can be a news for 1 day, 2 day, and it's gone.
Right.
अगर आपके पास talent है, तो लंबा चलेगा.
Correct.
You know, people will know you and remember you.
Absolutely.
Through your shows or through the work that you're doing.
Yeah.
As a celebrity, as a social media face.
Right.
You know what I mean.
I know.
Every day is a new viral.
Yeah.
You can't live on that. That cannot be your life.
Right. Absolutely.
So,
but I will
again, that's an expression.
So I wanted to know how much grateful you are. You have done the body of work. People are still, you know, बात करते हैं उन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में. People talk about it because of your craft. I wanted to know about from you कि how much grateful you are. First thing.
Yeah, जैसे कि मैंने कहा, you know, कि I want to be known as an actor. You know, social media sensation के जरिए या you know कोई चीज़ वायरल हो गया, एक दिन हो गया, 2 दिन हो गया, हर रोज नया वायरल होता है.
हाँ.
आप उसको अपना प्रेरोगेटिव नहीं बना सकते, इसलिए मैंने कभी उसे बनाया भी नहीं अपना प्रेरोगेटिव. मैंने हमेशा ये सोचा कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं क्या कह रही हूँ, मैं क्या पहन रही हूँ, मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ, व्हाट एम आई, हु एम आई, यू नो, आई वांट पीपल टू नो दैट एंड दैट्स हाउ आई वांट टू एक्सप्रेस माई सेल्फ. तो वही, और ऑथेंटिक रहना अपने काम के प्रति, आसपास के लोगों के प्रति, एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू स्प्रेड लव हाउएवर यू कैन. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट मेरी लाइफ में जो भी मैंने शोज किए हैं, आई गॉट the opportunity to express myself in different ways. Like Mytho is a different way of expression altogether, you know, apart from the daily shows.
I think it's one of the toughest.
It's one of the toughest, and it teaches you a lot, you know, it teaches you grace, teaches you charm, and I think you know, divine एनर्जी के जब आप क्लोज होते हो तभी आप डिवाइन कोई भी शो कर पाते हो. बिकॉज आई फील दैट देयर इज अ डिवाइन पावर दैट इज देयर, जो उन्हीं लोगों को एक माइथो के जॉनर में लेकर आती है जिनके ऊपर उनका हाथ होता है कहीं ना कहीं. यू नो, लाइक being a princess or being a maharani or playing a divine character always requires ठहराव.
Correct.
And grace and elegance and some aura that you need to have, you know, of yourself, which will come across and hit the screens and hit the public.
Correct.
You know, so उसके लिए आपका aura बहुत clean होना चाहिए, जैसे आप हो. तो इसीलिए जो जबरदस्ती की नेगेटिव, जैसे आपने मुझसे पूछा वो सवाल कि आपने तो कितने, वो जो आपके साथ हुआ था इंसिडेंट हुनर, वो आपने उसको like you just brushed it off, you didn't even take it like that to your head or you know spoke about it इतना ज्यादा. सिर्फ तब जब मुझ पे सवाल किया गया कि पब्लिसिटी स्टंट, मैंने बोला क्योंकि आई वाज लाइक यार जो लोग कर रहे हैं उन पे सवाल उठाओ ना कि वो क्यों करे, ऑकवर्ड मूवमेंट कह के डाल रहे हैं तो ऑकवर्ड है तो क्यों चला रहे हैं. तो ठीक है, आई मीन दे आर डूइंग इट फॉर देयर व्यूज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, तो उनकी मर्जी है. आई मीन इट्स वेरी क्लियर, आजकल वैसा ही होता है, जिस पे व्यूअरशिप ज्यादा मिलती है वही करते हैं लोग. बट एनीवे, मेरा ध्यान उन सब चीजों में नहीं जाता है, बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस इज अगेन अ नेगेटिविटी दैट यू टेक. यू ऑल्सो नीड टू रियलाइज दैट सोशल मीडिया के जरिए भी आप अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर कितना उसको टेक इन करना चाहते हो, कितना अपने अंदर लाना चाहते हो, यू नो, बिकॉज an expression with the world outside that you live in is also very very important as an actor and as a human being. हमारी जो इंडस्ट्री है जिसमें हम काम करते हैं, एक्टर्स जिनके साथ हम रोज मरा की जिंदगी में मिलते हैं, उठते बैठते हैं, you know, you also have to understand it's all fake at the end of the day. So you cannot just be invested into it so much कि it just goes to your head and then you are like कि अरे who am I? या कोई पुराना आपके पास आए और आपको बोले कि यार तुम तो वैसे हो ही नहीं जैसे तुम पहले थे, you are तो somebody else, we don't even know you. So you should not be that. I feel that आपको apart from hanging out with your own crowd, with your own cream, it's also important that आपको normal लोगों के साथ भी घुलना मिलना चाहिए, so that वो normalcy आपके life में आए, you know, so that you are both ways. Correct. And I think that is what an aura is made of. That is what you are made of, you know. Also, I feel आजकल हम बहुत easily लोगों पे judgments pass कर देते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है, कोई क्या पहन रहा है, you know, the way people are today. I feel, you know, moral policing करने का ज़माना जो है वो अभी है नहीं. और हम कौन होते हैं किसी को moral policing करने वाले, you know. हाँ ठीक है, an idea of a statement in terms of you know what we feel कि ये हमको क्या लगता है कि कैसे सही है कैसे सही नहीं है, वो एक आइडिया जो है हम जनरली शेयर करते हैं जो कर सकते हैं. बट मॉरल पुलिसिंग समवन दैट कि आपने ये क्यों पहना है, आपने इसको ऐसे क्यों पहना है, आप ये क्यों कर रहे हो, वो क्यों कर रहे हो, जो हम जनरली करना शुरू कर देते हैं, वो मुझे लगता है आजकल का जमाना नहीं है कि हम किसी को उनके शब्दों के लिए बोले या हम किसी को उनके कपड़ों के लिए बोले या कुछ करें या व्हाटएवर. ठीक है, सबका अपना अपना होता है. आई फील यू आर आउट देयर एक्सप्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ. As an actor, as a human being, you want people to take something out of you, तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट दैट आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट उस तरीके से करें जिस तरीके से आप किसी को एम्पावर और इंस्पायर कर सकते हो.
Absolutely.
You know?
Right. But according to you, coming back to your work, according to you, कोई एक शो आप बताइए अपना जो आपके लिए टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, आपके करियर में.
12/24 में रवि सरगुन,
हाँ.
नील भाट, स्मृति Kalra. I just met her at one of the event. I got goosebumps when I met her. Like literally, हम ये content awards में मिले थे recently at an award function. I was like so overwhelmed. I got goosebumps. I was Smriti and I was calling her Simmi D only. And she's like Millie. How are you? So actually that show was a turning point for all of us. Ravi, Sargun, me, Smriti.
But you all meet Ravi, Sargun, Smriti.
Coincidentally, जैसे मैंने अभी बोला स्मृति से मैं अभी मिली at one of the awards. Coincidentally, I think at one of the restaurants where I was having lunch or maybe dinner, I don't remember. वहाँ पे a few years back I had bumped into Ravi Sargun also. तो कहीं पे Neil I met at one of the, I think, Holi event or something. Neil, he introduced me to his wife, such a beautiful, pretty looking wife. Aishwarya. Very pretty, very beautiful, very sweet. I really like her. तो अच्छा है हमारा.
I'm sure आपको भी बिग बॉस का ऑफर आता होगा. है ना? I'm sure.
मैं बिग बॉस शायद कर भी रही हूँ ये साल.
We got a hook here.
But you never know. I don't know.
Yeah, but you're, I mean, आप mentally prepared हो बिग बॉस हाउस के लिए?
Of course, मैं mentally prepare आजकल हर किसी चीज के लिए. जब से मेरे साथ वो हुआ ना, मैंने कहा कुछ भी हो सकता है. I mean, forget that. मैं क्रिकेट खेलती हूँ. I love playing cricket. So अब I'm not a cricketer, okay?
Okay.
I have a different way of standing when I play cricket. You know, so basically I stand थोड़ा सा low and I bend and I stand when I'm playing cricket.
I've seen the videos, yeah.
And I was playing cricket and then I saw those views. Why is she standing like this? Why is she hitting? अरे I was like, मैंने बोला ना किसी को अगर कुछ बोलना है आपके लिए तो वो बोलेंगे ही बोलेंगे. मतलब कोई ये देख नहीं रहा है कि खड़ी जैसे भी हो छक्के तो मार रही है, बॉल को तो मार रही है. तो ये कोई नहीं. So everybody in this world is actually only looking at faults. और कुछ भी नहीं.
It's okay. We manage it.
So I am prepared for everything.
Yeah.
अभी like पहले मुझे थोड़ा सा ऐसे था, but now I'm like fearless.
Yeah.
I think with time and whatever you come across in your life, gradually आपको fearless बना देती है. And also age also has a factor. I was 16 years old when I started working in this industry. So today I'm in my early 30s. So of course like काम करते करते बहुत लोगों के साथ और बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस से, एक्सपोजर से काफी कुछ सीखा, you know, लोगों से.
But
तो उससे थोड़ा fearless बन गई मैं. तो अब मुझे कुछ डर नहीं लगता किसी से, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोई क्या बोल रहा है क्या नहीं.
क्योंकि क्रिकेट आप खेलती हैं तो आपके क्रिकेट के आप किसके फैन क्रिकेटर्स में?
Of course यार, कोहली. I mean क्यों नहीं? And everyone is his fan.
And how do you like their जोड़ी?
I love Virat Kohli's aggression actually. और मुझे भी जो मेरे नॉन सेलिब्रिटी लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं क्रिकेट खेलती हूँ वो सब मुझे फीमेल वर्जन ऑफ विराट कोहली बुलाते हैं. Because I am very aggressive when I'm playing. So yeah, so that's why he's my favorite. I love him.
Also अगर आपको पूछा जाए कि आपके अब तक के फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट कौन रहे हैं बिग बॉस के? गौहर खान.
I love Gauhar Khan and the way she played Hina. She was fab. Even Prerna was also very good. Prerna श्वेता तिवारी कसौटी जिंदगी के दिमाग से जाता ही नहीं है. You know, she was also very good. Falak was good. Falak is a friend also. She's nice. Everyone is, I mean, Rubina. Oh my God, Rubina was also very good. Very, very good.
Yeah, last season I think.
Then this one अपना Elvis भी
यादव
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I loved Elvis. Karan was so good.
करण तेजस
अभी का जो सीजन करण मेहरा बना.
अच्छा नहीं करण मेहरा नहीं था.
करण मेहरा ही था वो.
करण मेहरा ही था. ओके.
करण मेहरा was the करणवीर मेहरा.
हाँ करणवीर मेहरा. ओके. There's one more करण मेहरा.
नहीं करणवीर तो वो जीता ना. तो and so Rubina was my favorite. I loved her and I got
full power.
And Gauhar.
Yeah.
मतलब you know, like again, Hina, you know how I am as a person, powerful, fearless, you know, जो है जैसे है वैसे. So that's why these women are women who inspire people, women who empower people. That's why they're my favorite contestants. So Gauhar is one of my favorite. I love her.
Yeah.
I
We
love
really
her.
want to see you in Big Boss, by the way. ठीक है.
Thank you.
And it was such a lovely tour of your wardrobe. थोड़ा
हाँ.
minimalist
I
तरीके
really
से.
want to see myself also in Big Boss. Because जब से मुझे किसी ने ये बोला है ना कि किरदारों के पीछे छुपती हुई हुनर हैली,
हाँ.
तो मैंने कहा अरे यार ये कौन सी आइडेंटिटी बना दी मेरी, किरदारों के पीछे छुपती हुई हुनर हैली. मतलब हमेशा ये किरदारों के पीछे ही छुप के आगे आई है. ये खुद क्या है, I mean we don't really know because she's never revealed herself that much. क्योंकि of course मैं रियलिटी से दूर रही और मैंने हमेशा डेली सोप्स ही की है. तो I was like अच्छा किरदारों के पीछे छुपती हुई हुनर हैली. तो चलो अब बताते हैं कि you know I don't need किरदार to hide behind a kirdar. My व्यवहार is also nice.
We're gonna show this in the Big Boss house. We're getting a scoop and rumors.
Sure.
But
and of course my style as well.
Yes.
Who I am, what I am.
Yeah.
You never know, मैं शायद आधे से ज़्यादा time night suits में ही हूँ because I'm a night suit girl also. But night suits I was like क्या रखूँ यहाँ पे? You know it doesn't look nice.
Yeah.
But I am actually a night suit girl also.
Of course,
If
जिसमें
I'm at
comfort
home,
मिले आप
yeah.
उसमें रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करते
Yeah,
हो.
that's how I am.
है ना? For me it's like comfort. कुछ भी पहनो comfort होना चाहिए पूरा.
Yes, I think that's a style statement, a fashion statement, a thought that I would like to put across.
Yeah.
A thought-provoking statement is comfort. Comfort तो सब लोग बोलते ही है कि comfortable होना चाहिए, but क्यों? Why? Have you ever thought that? Why people say that? Because style, fashion, the clothes that you wear, actually वो क्या है? It is an expression of you. Not of your stylist, not of anyone else. It is an expression of you, yourself.
Correct.
Who you are as a person.
Absolutely.
You know? So you don't have to dress to impress. You have to dress to express.
Yes.
That's what Hunar Hali is all about.
But thank you so much for talking to me. It was lovely talking to you, Hunar, you know, and
Thank
I wish
you.
you only good luck for all your upcoming projects or Big Boss house.